How subjective medical complaints can sink your ERISA disability insurance claim. Did you know that a critical element in many ERISA disability claims can be a policy or plan requirement for objective medical proof of your disability and restrictions and limitations? This term is often a deciding factor in whether your claim is approved or denied. So I'm going to dive into a real-life case to explain to you how this works. Ms. Nafizi had severe lumbar problems that required her to lie down every 15 to 30 minutes an hour to manage her back pain. Now, the case hinged on a key provision in the disability plan that governs her rights to her benefits, a requirement for objective medical evidence to prove disability. What is objective medical evidence? Well, you've got to get out your own policy or plan and read it cover to cover. But in this particular case, objective medical evidence was defined as a measurable, independently observable abnormality, supported by standard medical diagnostic procedures like tests, clinical examinations, or imaging results. Self-reported symptoms such as pain do not qualify as objective evidence per the terms of her plan. And it went on to say that eligible evidence can include physician records, narrative reports, x-rays, or other clinical findings that correlate to physical functioning. Now, that meant her self-reported need to lie down due to pain wasn't enough to qualify her for any occupation benefits. Without objective evidence, the court upheld the denial in her case. So what does this matter for you? Well, many ERISA disability policies or plans require objective evidence to substantiate claims, particularly for conditions like chronic pain, fibromyalgia, or even mental health issues. Self-reported symptoms, no matter how severe they might be, are often insufficient. So here's what you can do to protect your claim. Number one, understand your policy. Before you stop work or appeal a denial, carefully review your policy or plan's terms. Look for the definition of disability and whether objective proof is required. Next, gather comprehensive medical evidence. Work with your doctor to ensure that you have measurable, documented proof of your condition. Testing, imaging, and detailed reports are critical. And be proactive during disability reviews. Now, if your benefits are transitioning from own occupation to any occupation, you can be prepared in advance to have to meet stricter standards of proof. They're going to closely review your disability claim at that point, so you can expect scrutiny of your medical records. So what were the lessons that were learned from this case? Well, number one, self-reported symptoms are not enough. Even if your condition feels debilitating, insurers are going to require measurable evidence. Number two, plan terms matter. Know what is in your plan or policy and that definition of disability, and what evidence is needed to support your claim. You should also be preparing for any occupation standards. Now, this change in definition often makes proving disability more challenging and requires stronger evidence. As a practical matter, you basically have to prove that you can't even do what's called sedentary work, which is sitting down all day. Objective medical evidence is the cornerstone of many ERISA disability plans and policies, and failing to provide that proof often leads to denied claims or terminated benefits. So understanding your plan's terms and working closely with medical providers can make all the difference. If you think your benefits are going to be denied, or you're getting a feeling that they are going to be terminated, or they've been denied or terminated, reach out to us at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We can help you regardless of where you live in the United States.